Bit better, isn't it?
Yeah, no, it's better.
That's nice and gentle.
Yeah, you feel it go, can't you, in that one?
I think the biggest problem for people learning how to pick is they're not gentle enough with it.
Yeah. Okay, Spencer, well done, mate. So you've picked it?
Yeah.
Is it right in the hole? Yeah?
Yeah.
Just take your finger off it a second, let's have a feel. So pull that little bar up, so we'll keep it turned as well. So take the little bar up, that's it. Just keep the pressure on. Is it right in the hole there? Yeah, push it in.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it
just
is,
think
yeah,
it's
yeah.
the pickers.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can decode it from that. So keep the pressure on as if it was picked.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
And then just go through
Right, so
each
now,
one. So start at number 1.
okay, now should I go across the bottom or go up to the top?
So you got to find the pin.
Go
so
to the next one.
It might be up or down, so you want to find them first. So,
Right, okay.
so you want to go to number 4.
So that is a 2. Is that it?
No, you got one more.
2.
2. Alright. So
Okay.
now you've got what you think it is,
Yeah.
and then you've also got what it could be. So
Yeah.
that's where you'd go onto Instacode,
Yeah.
and you could put on the system. You could put like the up and down things on it, looking at it, so it will like go through the numbers of all up and downs of that number,
Yeah.
and then it will find that code and find the right code.
Okay, so let's have a look at that on Instacode. This is Instacode.
Yeah.
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 That's a little logo for it.
Yeah.
You click on Instacode, and it pulls up big key,
Yeah.
and it pulls up the manufacturer.
Yeah.
So in this case, the manufacturer would be Vauxhall Local.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do it. So find Vauxhall Local.
You can just type it in if
Like,
you want.
do search.
Yeah.
And it's going to find some keys. So there it's found the first one there from 2006. It's an 8 cut. We know it's an 8 cut. We've already cut it, haven't we? And there basically is a key. So you can see the key there. Yeah? And you can see the code that it's just put a random code in. And this one, find bitting, which means that's the bitting code. Okay, so if we go find bitting, then we put the code that you found,
4222.
which is that one, which is 42221.
4,
2221. So it's found 2 codes.
Yeah.
Yeah? So it's found 4232,
Yeah.
4232,
Yeah.
1332.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty close, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the
Okay.
wrong code though.
Yeah, and that one below, it's found 422 31332.
Yeah.
What was the right code on this, Scott?
It's there's an extra 4, but what I like to do normally is just tick all of them. So
It's giving you more choices now.
it's giving you
isn't
more choices, and then you can sort of start to figure out if you go back and change these to a 3 or 4. But realistically, you were literally so close. You just got the second to last pin wasn't a 3, it was a 4.
Right.
So
Okay.
this one here
Yeah.
was actually a 4.
Right. Okay.
it? Wait a minute.
So
Oh, sorry.
realistically, you probably would have struggled to find the right code
Yeah.
in this situation. You
Yeah.
probably would have ended up picking it again.
Right.
So when you're decoding it, you do want to give yourself quite a lot of options. Like you really want to, like, if you've got a precise number, it's exactly on the line. Go for it.
Yeah.
If it's like slightly in between, don't just write one number down. Write 2.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
say it could be this or it could be that.
Yeah. Okay.
Give yourself options.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
And then
And also with this particular model, you can pull it
you can
from
pull the key.
car.
So we're going to pull the key now. Pull the mechanical code from it, from this
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
Yeah. The beauty about courses is it'll actually give up the key number
Yeah.
from the car,
Yeah.
which is great. Because as long as you can pick it to get in it, so you can imagine, Spencer, if you've picked it and you've got in it, and you plug your machine in, you can get the mechanical code straight out of it.
Right,
No need
okay.
to try and decode it.
Yeah.
You find it straight away.
Okay.
cut this other key quickly. If you find Corsa D, so
Volkswagen.
yeah, it might be Opel on this one. Opel on this one. click like the
Yeah.
That's it.
Course a day.
That's it. So now there's your key.
Yep.
There's the key type HE100.
Yep.
And then if you want to input a code, you'd input the code. Obviously, you would if you decoded it.
Yep.
But for this one, we've got a code, so we're going to click code.
1, 5, 5, 3.
That's it. And then you're going to press the search. And then that's the key code that pops up. So you want to press OK. And that's the key. So we've got a remote.
Yep.
And with the remotes, we label them all up, so we know which ones they are. Because obviously, if you got that one and that one together, you know, it's hard to tell the difference, especially because they read as the same chip.
Okay.
And they read as the same frequency. So when you get a remote online, you want to like label them up straight away.
Yep.
So we use Hickley's. So what we do is we like this website. Just seems like the best one for us. So you can go through it and you can go onto remotes. You can click Vauxhall, Corsa. You can come down. And I've marked this one: Vauxhall Corsa D 0714, AKK 204, AKK 204.
Yeah.
But you might find your own style of labeling stuff up. So you want to cut that.
Any particular way, or do you swap them over?
What I like to do always is press cut once first.
Yeah.
And then it will show you. So it's not a serrated key.
Yeah.
It's a laser key, so it's going to be cut on the bottom shelf.
Yeah.
And then you want to mark it up where that one's telling you to put it. You might find it won't fit. Do you want to wind up?
Anyone, mate?
Will he fit to the third line? Not quite.
No, not quite.
Most of the way. So I want to click and bring it back one.
Yeah.
And it'll measure the height. Now the machine will only cut once it's measured the height. It's stopped, right? Because the cover's up.
Yeah.
But now it doesn't matter because it's out the way of the side cover. Put that down and it'll just carry on.
Yeah. And just try and lift it up at the end before it comes
Exactly.
back.
When it's coming back, just catch it before it gets to the end.
Do you want to show Spencer how to pull the mechanical code?
Yeah, do that next.
You got the key there. To the left of that USB fork. Underneath.
Oh yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
So, stick the tester on the steering wheel. Okay, so vehicle selection, down to Opel or Vauxhall in this case. Okay, so it's a Corsa.
Yep.
And we know it's a Corsa D, and it's a 2008. So scroll up until you find Corsa D 2008.
2006, 2013, that one, yeah.
Blade 2000, Corsa D 2006, any year, that'll do. Okay. So, it's got program immobilizer.
Yeah.
Read the pin. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and find the mechanical code on this one.
Yeah.
So, fault codes are used. Mechanical number.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
So click mechanical number. Connect. Switch ignition on. Okay, mechanical number. Press play. Now, once the pin code to find the mechanical number. We could have pulled the pin first on this one, but we've got the pin code anyway. But it will pull the pin code anyway.
Yeah, okay.
But we've got the pin code, so we're going to put the pin code in first, which is only on his little card. So the key code is
0716.
yeah.
Go.
Yeah. Mechanical key. Okay, so it's showing mechanical key as Z1553.
Yeah.
So we know that's a mechanical code.
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay. Now we'll go to fault codes first of all. Always go to fault codes and always clear fault codes.
Okay.
We'll just go straight into program keys. Program.
Does the key have a key transponder?
A new one. New one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which it does. Yes. Cycle ignition. So off and then on. That's it. Okay. Do you want to program more keys? Yes. Now just hold on one second, we're just going to check the transponder chip in that one.
Ever.
Yeah.
So what if it's already had like 4 before?
Delete them. Delete the keys and start again.
Yeah. Oh yeah, erase keys.
Yeah, erase keys, yeah. Yeah, so this is the second key. So switch ignition off, remove key. Okay, we've done that, yeah. Okay. Okay, insert the next key. Okay. Does this carry the transponder? Yes. Cycle ignition. Okay. Do you want to program more keys? No. No. Finished. Okay. So switch off the machine. So we're going to go to the little house at the top. And then we're going to try the keys. Yeah. Okay, engine's running.
Take it out and press the buttons a few times.
We've now made a working key. In fact, we've made 2 working keys for this vehicle. Yeah. Both start the car, and the remote one does the central locking. There's the lights flashing. Open, shut. Okay, so if this one there, we're ready to go. Right, we've made a key. What's your first name?
Paul.
Paul, thanks very much for your business, Paul. We made Paul 2 keys for his little Corsa, and we've done a little bit of training as well with Spencer. Thanks very much for your business, Paul. Are you happy?
Very happy indeed.
Yeah,
Great service. Thank you very much, Chad.
That's very kind of you. Thanks very much, Paul.
Cheers.